I want to share with you three best AI side hustle to make money online. So as I share with you, I want to go step by step to really let you understand what these side hustles are and the tools that you can use to really make your money online. So right away, I'm going to jump in and start with number one, creating children book with AI. This is very simple in a way that you can use AI to create children books and sold definitely online. So let's go ahead and really get into it so you can understand. First, we're going to jump in towards a tool that is known as ChatGTP. Here I already write an outline. I ask for five children book and definitely I get a list of five books right here that I can use to start. So I'm going to really use this book which is known as the Magic Recipe book to really create a children book. And as I already write an outline, write me the outline for this book called, right? So definitely details that ChatGTP already been given to me, I'm going to really put them in right here. Then I'm going to press enter and really get this going. So I'm just going to take this off right here, get it to you. Right. So here we go. And ChatGTP start giving me the outline of this book. Once I use this outline, all I gotta do is that when ChatGTP finish with this, see, as you have seen here, it give me also all the details of the outline of this book. So all I can do is copy this book and I can go over towards Canva. Here I got into a list of different books, covers that you can use, right? So we can always click in towards any of these one and use these templates to create the pages and so on. Now, as soon as we finish with this, we can also decide that we want to really use tools such as Blaze AI also to create the book. Because Blaze AI is also on that create the content and create the cover and everything, the images that you need. So if you don't want to go towards ChatGTP, you can also use Blaze.ai. So the next thing that we're going to do right now that we can really make money with this, as you can see, create better content in half the time. But we're going to consider about selling the product. And what you can do is go over towards Amazon and decide to publish this book, definitely so you can sell on Amazon. Now you can sell this book for anywhere of $5 to $10, probably $15, depends on the internet effort that you put in, the amount of information. But if it's for a children book, $5 to $10 is okay. And the more book you create, the more money you can make. You can also sell these same books on Etsy and other different platforms. So I'm just giving you ideas where traffic is already being at, and you can definitely have that market to make the money online. So moving on towards number two, which is use AI to create website for other businesses. And this is very simple and easy. And in this market, you have a lot that you can make from. So I'm just going to jump in and really show you how you can use AI to create a website within just as little as 30 seconds. So all you gotta do is go out towards this business place, ask what as you get the recommendation of your name, what they done, and you know your location. So you're going to really want to know, such as the entire information that they need in their about page, the bio page, and so many other different pages that you're going to create. But to really get this done in 30 seconds, all you're going to need is just three information. So let me just show you exactly how you can do all of this with AI in a simple, easy 30-second ways. So first, I go to this website, which is known as Durable, click and create new. And all I gotta do right here is to type in the type of business that they do, which is I put here dentist, and I put the location for Kingston 1. So all I gotta do now is click next. And once I do that, I'm gonna get the Waha. Now for the Waha, I enter the business name, and here I'm gonna just put in a business name that I just come to my mind, such as Bright Smile Dental. which this is really reasonable to really give, such as a business name. Then I click and generate a website, and in 30 seconds, you will got that spin around ready for you. And as you can see, just as I said, within 30 seconds, you got that ready for you. Here you got the hero page being set up and everything, the about us being set, the dental service, right? All of that thing really showing such a beautiful page here, right? So amazing, showing all these different way how they have done with their service. And quite a few images that are very beautiful on this page. The location, they have generated a map, definitely with that. And that was so easy to really see how quick and simple that the AI could really create this entire page within just 30 seconds, as you can see right here. Very beautiful done page ready for you to really go ahead and do what you gotta do. The next tool that we can use to also create the same website for your clients within seconds, you can also use 10web. And 10web is very beautiful. It gives you the same way within 30 seconds, you have the website ready to use for your client. So that's a very beautiful act for you to start doing right now, to giving the customer the great value that you have delivered. And for things like this, you can charge anywhere from 2,000 towards $5,000 per site that you create. All you gotta do is ask them information, let them know that you will finish these things within 3 to 5 days, right? Because you don't want them to know that you have done this within just a quick seconds. Because if they know, they may not want to pay you that 2 to 3,000, probably $5,000 that you want to charge. However, as a newbie into this system, I would really say to you that if you can charge anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000, that's fair enough, right? Because you want to really get the customers in. So you have these clients, and whenever they need more or they recommend you to others, then you got more customers coming in. And once you have that, then you can also scale your business up. So that's very recommended point for you to really start creating all these different AI website for whether it's being a dentist, chiropractor, whatever it gotta be within entire care. No matter the business, could be a plumber, could be a mechanic, or whatever. You can always create a website for them in a very easy way. Now, my favorite side hustle is known as freelance digital marketing. Is my best side hustle, which helped me to quit my 9 to 5 job and give me the time of freedom, give me the financial freedom, the happiness that I need definitely to really have that wonderful time with my family and friends and all the other rest of people that really care so much about me. So I can also give my students proper training. And why I'm saying that, if you want to really learn about this, you can always check the link in my bio for my free training and get along with this entire training within how to really give your life the freedom that you need to be happy. So number three, which is very amazing, and this amazing one is known as using AI to translate video into multiple language, right? So you can always create a service for even some of these YouTubers that would love to have their video created and being in multiple different languages, just as Mr. Beast, which we are all known here on YouTube. He have his multiple channels in multiple languages, and so he have multiple incomes because of the same multiple translation that been going on with his videos. So I'm going to really show you the AI tool right now that you can use. And this AI tool is very amazing. It's very great. I don't sure how I can really pronounce the name. Like it's Rusk, RASK, right? Translate video and audio worldwide in different languages that you may need. definitely. And they have access towards giving you the best way. So this is like it synchronize your entire lips movement with the language. That's how wonderful this AI is. And they have multiple languages, over 130 language they have can translate your video in. So there's no need for you to really worry about which language they may have or may not have, because 130 language is here for you. And you can also get a free trial right away. You can try it for free. And if you're doing this for YouTubers, you can make anywhere from, let's say, 50 to 100, 150, up to even $300 for translating a video. You may just charge it based on the length of the video. Perhaps, let's say you charging for a 30-minute video, you may charge $50 an hour, maybe more, hour and a half, 2 hours. You know that they have videos like those because some of these being done as a live stream, and people may want their live stream to put in different languages. So you can always charge a different price for the different size of the video. When I'm saying size, I mean the length of the video. And you can always make money from this. It's reasonable to be done, and there are many creators right now would love to have their video translate in a different language for them. These are very three best side hustle to make money online right now, right away, as AI taking on the market. And this is where you want to really. So watch my next video here, how to really quit your 9 to 5 job and really get the time of freedom that you need.